Yeah, do dirty work like Robin. Crack rock, Rolex, diamonds. Penny flip flops, I'm styling. Buy brown Rolex, diamonds. Hey, I do dirty work like Robin. Crack rock, Rolex, diamonds. Gunshot, dog bark, siren. Hey, I do dirty work like Robin. Penny flip flops, I'm styling.
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Vick Terry, coming at you live. Yo, I just want to say, I'm going to show you guys how I lost my money trading ZAR. So in other words, I pretty much want to just go through the phase until it showing y'all what I missed and what I didn't see, but what played out afterwards. So I'm going to show y'all, this is USD ZAR. I'm gonna get rid of everything so you guys can physically so you can see what's up. I mean, I'm gonna talk you guys through it if that's cool with y'all. My bad. I'm gonna talk you guys through this process. Get rid of everything. Okay, this is the music while I would do that.
Body bag, pilot. 911, start dialing. Do dirty work like Robin. Penny flip flops, I'm styling. See messed up like Batman.
All right, cool. I'm done. So I'm gonna replay if this allows me to. Cool. There we go. Boom. All right, so what's going on, y'all? So we're going to take it from the top. I'm going to show you exactly what I did on the USD ZAR. So looking at this, I started on a 4-hour. I looked at the 4-hour looking to see what kind of market cycle I was able to get, right? What I was able to receive, if that's what you want to say. So you see there is a gap here. Me personally, I do not trade gaps anymore. You want to know why? You can definitely just private message me and ask me. So anyway, as I see that we're kind of heading towards that bullish cycle. And the reason being is because if you look left, we do have a 3-way cycle down already, and now we're bullish again. So we do have a strong impulse here, and then we do have another strong impulse with this long correction coming down here, right? So looking at this correction, what I did was I was eager to buy like ASAP. So like before price got here, I did buy down here. I'll point it out to you guys. So I bought down in this zone, not really paying attention to the little things. So I bought down in this zone because I see this is where price was sitting. This was the area of interest for me. But then, long story short, as I was already in the trade, and I put my phone away, I definitely did not realize this right here. Like I totally disregarded all of this. This is called the bullish engulfing candle. I literally disregarded it and did not think about it whatsoever. So I'm going to tell you why that was so important. So looking off the 4-hour, if you guys did watch my last video, you'll understand what I do with the bullish engulfing candle. So me personally, I like to take my fib and I'll line this up right here, right? You will see a lot of people, like I said before, use the 50% mark. I personally used to do that. I don't anymore. I love as you all know, that's 705. I love the 705. 705 is running live. You know what I mean? So then I'm going to go back. Once I do the 705, I am going to do the 79. 79, I'm going to put that black. Right, that is black. So now this is where it's a little bit different than when I marked up gold the other day. So you see how this candle sits under the 50%, right? So it's under the 50% marking, but we are sitting between the 705, right? This last push down, this institution candle, this last push down before the aggressive move up. We're sitting between the 705 and the 88.6. So since we're sitting in between that, and we already see that this 50% mark has already been hit. So I'm going to mark off the 88.6, right? The 88.6, and then I'm going to also mark off this right here. Just safety purposes so people can see like you will have this within the smart money concept. So boom, those are my, that's what I got right there, right? So we have off the bullish engulfing cutoff date right there, pretty much. We have my 70.05, the 79, and then we also have the 88.6, right? So after doing that, what I should have looked at was having this, but also looked at this low. So I'm gonna mark this low off so you guys can actually see it. I'm gonna mark it off with white. So after doing that, I'm actually gonna here so you guys can actually see this as well. So this is your 50. And this is your 705. Those are like, yeah, I'll do 30 just so you guys can actually see a little bit more. Boom. So those are my top three right there. Right, the 50s for you guys to see. That's why I usually put it in yellow if you're cautious. But my main two, 70.05 and 79. The 88.6 is fire as well. I personally just, having more of an aggressive trading, I guess you can say. So the 79. So let's go back to where we're at, right? So now we have our markup. This looks pretty neat. I see the lines coming down here. Disregard this line here. This is pretty much just going to show you later on pretty much my big institutional candle for me. So anyway, what I should have seen since I bought in this area, what price decided to do actually was, let's watch. Let's watch exactly what it wanted to do. See how price decided to go down, and what did that do? What did it do? What did it do, baby? What did it do? It actually made a double bottom, right? A double bottom. It created a double bottom. Now, if you do not see that, really in the 4 hour, if you're wondering like why, let's do exactly this. You're going to drop to the 1 hour, and you're going to see. So boom, peep this, guys. Like literally take notes on this when you see this. So remember what I said. We had our 3 pushes, right? Our cycles down. But this is what I failed to pay attention to. Dropping on a 1 hour, right? We have your equal lows. And remember, I bought here. So we had our equal lows. It dropped. And as it was dropping, I realized we do have another bullish engulfing candle. I'll show you that right here after this fast move, right? So then peep over here. When you go back, look what happened. We created that double bottom, right? Once we created that double bottom, I was still in the game. Stop loss, was about a little bit below that double bottom. Not too much. So me doing that, and it created that double bottom, the market decided, I was like, psych, like I got you. So the market actually decided to wick out, hit stop loss. And then I was like, damn, definitely lost. That's when USDZar took my money. I'm totally fine with that. I was cool with it. So what did I do? So I'm going to wait. I'm going to get back into the trade. So this is how I determined whether I should get back into the trade. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, backtrack real quick. Look, we definitely hit the 50, but we also hit my 70.05, the 79, and we also hit the 88, right? But now watch this. This part is critical. Like it is very I don't even know what if you eat chicken, this is about to give you the whole chicken, all the nuggets for this trade exactly to figure out how was I able to come back to jump back into a trade, right? So this is just pay attention. If you're a vegan, I'm sorry. Like my man Slick Vision says, go drink some vegan water and take notes. So listen, all right. I decided to wait for the market to move back. Market decided to move. Once we started getting to this phase right here, boom. Once the market came here, right? Now I was very confident. I was like, okay, we're going to go back up for the buy. And the reason why is because once we had a rejection here, price is rejecting this zone still, another rejection here, price decided to go up, right? So what did I do? I waited for the move. I waited to make sure money was behind the move. Yes, I could have easily taken you know, put a point here, but no, I didn't want to do that. So what did I do? I waited until money was actually behind the move. And since I'm still living off of these numbers here, this would have been my entry, right? This right here, 705. Price came up, came back down, wicked into the 705 area, and then watch this. Boom. Look at that. We came up, money came behind the move. So my entry was here at 705 still. And look at that. Price came back 705 and then shot right back up. Now, if you want to say, okay, how would you use this on the fib? Right? Let's see if we follow through with this on the fib. I personally don't think it was going to hit it right on the nose. But all right, cool. Actually, we did. We nailed it right on the nose, but not the 79 or the 88. But we hit my 705. Yes, look at this. This 705 right here, which was originally my 79. But remember, prices move, so you have to readjust. So this was originally my 79. So if I got rid of that, made this red, right? Made this red. Price came up, literally came back into a 705 zone, quote unquote 79 zone. So we hit that, shot up, and then look exactly where my TP would have been was up here, right? Reason being is because you do see this. I'm going to show you right now. So you do see that, and that's where we rejected off at, to be honest. So what I was planning on seeing, I was planning to see price do this. Shoot up, come from here, drop back, right? That's what I want. I wanted to see this drop back. So once we drop back, I pull back up, then shoot back up there. Now, mind you, look at this. We have this bullish engulfing, this fast move up. What moves fast just won't last. So watch. If you guys know about trading, we got that bullish engulfing candle. And look what happens. Let's see how far price drops back down. Rejection, 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 rejection. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Yo, so if you would have missed this move up, right, and you would have missed the 70.05 entry, quote unquote 79 entry, say if you missed all of that, that fast move up, mark that off. Yo, hold up. Boom. 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 Like, yo, you could have entered right off of there and went back into profit. Went back into profit. And that's it. So that pretty much wraps up why and how did I lose money trading the Usdzar. And it wasn't because, like, it wasn't because something like, oh, I just over leveraged or anything. I just pretty much missed out on a few things. I wasn't paying attention clear enough. But as you can see, I definitely readjusted myself and came back with it. So if you definitely like that, hit me up if you have any questions. Yo, but once again, appreciate for watching this video. I'm going to catch y'all next time with Mr. Vick Trading Live. Let's get it. Peace.
Just know that I'm robbing, just know that I'm mobbing, just left church, I'm wildin', Bobby around Rolex diamonds, crack rock Rolex diamonds, she don't wanna leave, she vibing, I just left church, I'm wildin', strippers at the crib, I'm wildin', Philly flip flops, I'm stylin', heat it up, heat it up, heat it up.